Hi there, I'm Mike, an electrical engineer and installer at Conversions Technology. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our power distribution blocks. What sets our product apart? Our in-house UL lab ensuring it meets the highest safety standard. But that's not all. We offer over 300 different varieties of the power distribution block. And if you need something even more specific, we've got you covered. Here at Conversions Technology, we offer custom design options. Our team and I work tirelessly to ensure your power distribution block is both effective and safe, adhering to all UL standards. We understand the value of time in your projects. That's why we promise a fast turnaround on all our custom designs. Whether you're building a residential, commercial, or industrial electrical system, Conversions Technology has a power distribution block solution for you. Get in touch with us today to start your custom design or inquire about our over 300 different styles at Conversions Technology. We're powering your innovation.